Hey everyone, so I wanted to finish off my capsule looks, and I am in love because that is obviously brown with green, so I'm going to be using that on the lid with that and that color. On my lid I use the Peachella Milani, the ludicrous light. So I'm going to start out with that beautiful duochrome brown. I don't know, those pretty colors, I feel like it's a crime not to use them on the lid. They're just too pretty. Anyway, so I use the ludicrous lights as a, instead of putting it over it, I used it as a base color because it's also full of duochrome. Look at that, look at that. Oh, too pretty, too pretty. So I'm using that light brown right there as a transition color. So my hair, I had about an inch of my brown. Now I'm gonna use this darker brown as the crease color, and I did it again. I'm thinking 1:1 meant 2 ounces to 1 bleach powder, but nope, it was 1 ounce. So I did it again. I messed up again, but I just gave it a couple of minutes because usually 40 will lighten my hair fast, but I noticed after a few minutes that it wasn't lightening, so I was like, okay, let me put another scoop of powder, and then it lightens. You can see it's still kind of like a gold, but anyway, so I'm gonna do, I only did it for like 30 minutes because my hair's been falling out in chunks. So I'm gonna use that peach as the highlighter again, that peach right there. So I'm just gonna do the 2-step process by doing it again, later. So I was too tired to do it today. I'm just putting that transition color in there just to blend this out. Blend out that really, really dark brown color. And then, of course, I'll just be doing, black mascara, liner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I did incorporate this gold in the inner corners of my eyes from the C1 palette. And I use the Peachella highlighter on the inner corners, on the bottom, my nose and my cheeks. And of course the blush in the palette, I use that on my, as my blush. And then I finished off my orange hair chalk. Oh, and then I use my Peachella lip gloss for the lips. So yeah, so my hair's been coming off in chunks. I was rushing one day and I was brushing it out, and I could hear all my hair going rip, 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 rip. And I must have lost at least 2 to 3 inches of my hair with that. But at the same time, my hair is lighter, so for the summer it kind of felt good. So I just tried my best just to do the roots with the bleach this time, and only leave it in for about 30 minutes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that again because I missed some spots. I can see a chunk of brown here, a chunk of brown here under. So I'm gonna just try and get as best I can and get that those dark spots. And now I know it's 1 ounce to 1 powder. I thought it was 2 ounces to a scoop of powder, so that was very frustrating. Anyway, so I think I'm done with Sugarpill, with the Sugarpill palettes. I know the only colors I haven't used are the limes and the lime colors and the mustard yellow color over here. So you got the 2 limes and this mustard yellow, and I think that's the only colors I didn't use, and I think I'm done with this. Don't think I'm gonna do a look with those. I'm not sure. I think I'm just too excited about the Wet n Wild collection, and I want to do you know, looks with them. And as for my nails, they've just been a mess. They're just breaking and breaking. Sally's opened up again, and I finally got the spray. So I lost both of my coarse nail files that I use when I do my own nails. So I had to get 2 of those and the spray. They all opened up, so I was able to get it. So I've just been really, honestly, just exhausted with everything, you know, that I was going through last week from just going from store to store and all of that. So that's why I haven't even bothered. They just keep chipping and breaking. This one is the only one that grows, and this one is the only one that grows. These these are like my hard nails, and yeah, these other ones, this one I'm surprised. This is one of my weakest nails, and it hasn't broken. It chipped a little bit, but all of these just keep breaking, chipping and breaking. This one hasn't either. That's my pinky. My pinkies usually grow. I guess they're the ones I'm not as hard on as the rest, but